Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting on ICMP version 4, ping traceroute and its applications. This topic falls under the network layer and covers how ICMP helps in network diagnostics and error reporting. Let's get started. ICMP stands for Internet Control Message Protocol. It is a core protocol of the Internet Protocol suite used for error reporting and network diagnostics. ICMP works alongside IP version 4 and is essential for identifying issues like unreachable destinations or faulty routes. When network devices such as routers face connectivity issues, ICMP sends error messages to the source. For example, if a router can't deliver a packet, it sends an ICMP message back to the sender indicating the problem. Let's take a look at the structure of ICMP messages. Type specifies the category of the message, for example, echo request and echo reply. Code gives additional information about the message type. Checksum used for error detection to ensure the integrity of the message. Identifier and sequence number. These fields help track individual ping messages, especially in diagnostic tools. Understanding this format is important to interpret ICMP message properly. Ping is a diagnostic utility that uses ICMP version 4 echo request and echo reply messages. Its main functions are to check the reachability of a device, to measure the round trip time, indicating how long it takes for a packet to travel to a destination and back. The command to use ping is ping in angle bracket IP address or host name. For example, running ping google.com will show the response time and packet loss. Ping helps identify whether the system is online and how quickly it responds. Here we can see the packet sent were 4 and received were 4 and lost was 0. So there was 0% loss and the round trip time in millisecond is minimum 22 millisecond, maximum 25 millisecond and average of it is 23 milliseconds. Let me explain how ping functions. The source sends an echo request to the target device. The target responds with an echo reply if it is reachable. The RTT is measured to determine the time taken for the message to travel back and forth. Then RTT, which is time to leave. This limits the packet's lifespan. If the TTL reaches 0 before the packet reaches the destination, the packet is discarded and the sender is notified. Ping is simple yet effective for basic network troubleshooting. Next, let's discuss traceroute, another important network diagnostic tool. Traceroute traces the path that a packet takes from the source to the destination. It displays all the intermediate routes along the path. The command for this is in Windows, we use traceRT in angle bracket, IP address or host name, and for Linux, we use traceroute in angle bracket, IP address or host name. Traceroute helps locate network issues by identifying slow or unresponsive hop along the route. Here's how traceroute works. It sends ICMP echo request with the increasing TTL values. The first packet has a TTL of 1 which is incremented with each subsequent packet. Each router along the path reduces the TTL by 1. When TTL hits 0, the router sends a time exceeded message back. By capturing these messages, traceroute displays each hop showing the route to the destination. It helps visualize the network path and identify any slow or malfunctioning routers. ICMP version 4 has several key applications. Network diagnostics, used in troubleshooting to detect packet loss, latency, and connectivity issues. Helps identify bottlenecks or unreachable devices. Path discovery. Traceroute helps map the route of packets, aiding in identifying inefficient paths. Security applications. Network scanning tools like Nmap use ICMP to detect active hosts. Unfortunately, ICMP can also be exploited in DDoS attacks where attackers flood a target with ICMP packets. Let's now look at the advantages and limitations of ICMP based tools. Advantages: easy to use for basic network diagnostics, provides detailed information on RTT and routing paths, helps in identifying network performance issue quickly. While limitations of ICMP are ICMP packets can be blocked by firewalls, making the tools ineffective. Not all devices respond to ping or trace route, reducing accuracy. ICMP can be used for malicious purposes such as ICMP flood attacks, which overwhelm networks. To conclude, ping and trace route are powerful tools for network diagnostics. They help identify connectivity issues, latency problems, and routing errors. ICMP version 4 is essential for error reporting and troubleshooting network problems. Despite its limitations, it remains a valuable protocol for network administrators and security professionals. Thank you.